before anything else, where we go first, baby? We need to eat?
Food gas.
Ah, okay. Ayan. Magpapagas daw muna kami kasi magpa-practice ako mag-drive. Okay, guys. Hi, guys. Ayan. Nagsiset ako ng upuan kasi hindi ko abot. Kailangan maabot ko. Yan. And then, second is side mirror. Ah, this one.
Push number 3 is in the memory.
Oh, just wait. Push na. Okay. Wait. I need to...
Number 3.
Number 3? Okay.
Everything is set.
And then... No, the side mirror.
The side mirror is set with number 3.
Oh, really?
Everything.
Okay. What I need... Okay. And then, first, I need to... Maybe, near, baby.
Mm.
Near the set. Yes, good. Side mirror is good. Seat belt, and then now need to press the parking brake. We need to use the air conditioner because it's too hot. AC. Ah, it's the aircon. And then we need to lock the window. Okay. Just push, baby.
Somebody is driving the car.
Sorry guys, I'm focusing to driving, you know, because it's very difficult to drive.
There's got quite a few curbs.
Yeah, this is the courts. A lot of curb.
Driving near to the lake.
Yeah. Practicing guys, once a week only because I'm working and then my husband is working too.
And it's too scary to have her driving every day.
I want to drive always, but my husband is scared.
She's dangerous, you see? 25 miles per hour. You can go faster riding a carabao.
Very baliw. You know, we need to be careful. Miles per hour. It's enough.
She's probably sweating.
We are here in the lake. Lake, baby? That's the lake, baby?
The lake is beside you. Are in the street.
Oo nga pala.
That's the lake. If you want to drive in the lake, we need to get a boat.
I don't have boat. I have car now.
Getting the hump.
Yeah, we need to be careful.
You have to be careful with that car.
This car is almost here in the street.
It is in the street.
It's in the street. Oh, let's stop.
Be careful with the pulsar. Don't squeeze the pulsar.
God, it's running.
Anybody's gonna run if you're driving. Look at that.
The car here is almost in the street. Be careful to drive because I don't want to be having trouble here.
It's about to take the car to the park. Not the home. riding in the grass. See? Don't get close. What are you doing? Need to let the car go. That's a little park right there.
Yeah, I'm going straight.
That's the lake.
I'm going back again. Why? Go out, baby.
Probably. I'll use a signal. She's newly driving, but this guy drive worse than her.
It's DJ.
It's like riding a horse. Look,
You have humps.
you keep shaking my stomach with like that, with the gas and brake. I'm gonna throw out here in the middle of the video.
Going back again to the park.
You can get some.
The other part.
To the other one, baby. How many
Back,
minutes?
back and forward.
Yeah,
I don't know, maybe 4 miles.
4 miles. How many minutes, baby?
I don't know. 20 to 25 minutes, maybe. Or if it's like that, maybe more than 4 miles. What is it? A route. There's a back street near to the lake that it has homes. You have to stop, and then you need to slow down in the curbs. And it is pretty curvy. So you can practice better how to switch from gas to brake to gas.
You have humps again.
That's another hump right there. But somebody wants a pumpkin, like 3 pumpkins. Right there.
Oh, this is the what they call this curb, baby.
Yeah. With a safety barrier. Oh, those are American Jeep right there.
That's American Jeep.
That's the American Jeep. The owner.
They call that owner.
They call that owner in Philippines.
Yeah, owner. But here in United States
Just
is
Jeep.
Jeep. No Jeep here. Like
Brand.
yeah, in Philippines is
In Philippines, the type of car.
type of car.
Mm.
mph. But
The max speed is 30.
show the house, baby.
Couple of 9 ounces.
Sturdy.
The whole thing is 30. That's city parks to keep green areas, trees on the grass. No trash at all.
Yeah, no trash.
No trash at all. Very clean. This is a little sailboat marina back there. Kind of hard to see the boats because of the trees. And the park has shaded area with barbecue. So because of the weather. mile.
Oh my god. Serious.